Okay, we're having a storm. Lightning and thundering. And I tried to get it on a YouTube video. And just as I was getting it, boom! The electricity went off and this big clap of thunder hit. Go figure. Anyway, it's a summer storm. Maybe I'll capture me a lightning bolt. Probably not. It's really raining. Woo! I don't know if I got that one or not. Oh, check it out here and see. It's really raining now. But the storm has gone on. Except over there in the east. It's moving east. Came up from the south, moving east. We're looking north. Okay, I'm out of here.